How to fix Samsung phone mobile data not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few ways to fix if your mobile data is not working on your Samsung device. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do if you are facing the network issue is to just give your phone a quick reboot or a restart. Press on the power button and hold it. Your restart menu will pop up like this. Just tap on restart and it will fix any temporary glitches that's happening to your mobile network. Now the second thing to do is to check for updates on your phone. To do that, head over to your settings. Now just open up your software, scroll down and check for software updates. So just tap on software update, and if there are any updates available, tap on download and install like this. So this is the second method. The third method is to turn off data roaming if it is on. To check that, head over to connections. And once your connection is open up your mobile networks. And here, if your data roaming is turned on, make sure that you turn it off. And after you have done that, the fourth method is to reset your network settings. To do that, open up your settings, scroll down all the way and find General Management. Just tap on it and then scroll down again a bit to find this reset option. Tap on reset and you will find an option to reset mobile network settings. Just tap on it and tap on the reset settings option to reset all of your network settings. After doing this, your phone should start working and your mobile data should start working as well. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys next time.